The Jewish people worship God with an altar and with this what we call the Ark of the Covenant, where the presence of God was there. They always have the Ark of the Covenant. In the kingdom of Solomon, still the same. They worship God in the Holy of Holies, where the presence of God is there with the menorah, the seven lampstand. Jesus Christ was crucified, hanging on the cross, was offered in order for you and I to worship God. The altar is the Golgotha or the Calvary. In our time, still the same as a Catholic. We worship God with an altar where the Holy Eucharist could be found. Still the same. It is the presence of God. God can never be changed. How about you, Pastor?